Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to trade on Crypto Guru. But before we start, make sure to follow the video till the end and subscribe to the channel. First, open the Crypto Guru app on your mobile device. Next, choose your preferred language from the options provided. Now tap on the Trading tab. Here, you will see the available amount for trading and the current trading positions. You can check the graph to analyze the market trends. You can also adjust the time intervals to 5 minutes, 15 minutes, or 30 minutes to better understand the market movements. To customize your chart, you have several options. You can select from candles, sticks, bars, hollow candles, columns, lines, lines with markers, and area charts. Choose the one that helps you understand your trading charts better. Now let's talk about indicators. You can select various indicators to aid your analysis. For example, you can use Bollinger Bands or other indicators available in the app. Once you select an indicator, proceed to apply it to your chart. You can see how it affects the graph in real time. The app also allows you to rewind or fast forward the chart to analyze past trends or anticipate future movements. Now, at the bottom of the screen, you will see options to either buy or sell. You can decide whether to go long or short. Enter the number of lots you want to trade. For example, if you want to trade 21 lots, input that number. You can then set your take profit or stop loss levels. For instance, you might set your take profit at 100 and your stop loss at 50. Finally, after setting all your preferences, tap on sell or buy depending on your strategy to execute your trade. That's it. You've successfully placed a trade on Crypto Guru. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.